Okay, so this just happened. A client sent me 4 design requests, and I have 24 hours to deliver all of them. Normally, I'd be panicking right now, calling my designer friends, maybe bribing someone with coffee. But today, I'm doing something different. I'm letting AI handle everything. These are the results. And I'm going to show you exactly how I made them. Every prompt, every edit, every mistake, and whether AI can actually do the job of a real designer. Let's go. Case 1. Coffee brand Instagram carousel. Alright, first up, the coffee brand. Here's what the client sent me. Need 3 Instagram posts for our new coffee launch, organic, earthy vibe. Can you have it ready by tomorrow? Sure, no pressure. Let me open up Lovart AI and see what we can do. Okay, this is the Lovart AI homepage. You will find the link in the description. You have to create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is the prompt box where we have to enter the design idea. At the bottom, you can see some community designs created with Lovart AI. Let's create our coffee launch design. We have to enter the idea here in this box. I am typing organic coffee brand Instagram post, earthy tones, coffee beans, minimalist design, warm lighting. After entering the prompt, you can attach images or files if you need. Next, you can select between the fast and the thinking model from here. The thinking model gives us better results, but takes more time. You can also include web search if you need authentic data. It's very useful for brainstorming and infographics. In the end, you can set the AI model. Here, you will find various powerful models like Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Seedream, Kling 3, VO3, Sora 2, and more. As I am creating a design, I am selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. Once everything is set, hit the send button and watch what happens. You can see that Lovart assigns an agent to design your work. It's not just that a generic AI is designing your image. It's an agent that is thinking and designing your design, just like a designer. And here it is. The design is ready. And look at this. This is just outstanding. And here's the cool part. Lovart doesn't just give you one option. So you're not stuck with one result and praying it works. You actually get to choose. I like all of them. The composition is clean, the lighting is warm, and it's got that organic feel the client wanted. But it's not perfect yet. This is where most AI tools would leave you hanging. But Lovart? This is where it gets interesting. If you click on the image, you will find some options at the top of the image to edit the image. However, let me show you something called Touch Edit. Basically, I can click on any part of the image and change it, without ruining the rest. Watch this. I will press and hold the control button from the keyboard, and then select the object or element from the design. The element will be added to the agent chat box. Now, we have to enter our prompt. I'm going to change this hot coffee cup to a glass of cold brew instead. Just like that. See that? Same composition, same lighting, but now it's cold brew. And I didn't have to regenerate the whole thing. Now let's change the background. I'm going to control-click on this wooden table and swap it for marble. Boom. Marble table. And the crazy part? It still looks natural. The shadows, the reflections, it all adjusts automatically. That's not just generation, that's actual intelligent editing. Now here's where it gets even better. Imagine I want to change the text to cold brew, but I want to keep the exact same style, the same texture, the same font treatment, everything. Most AI tools would make you regenerate and hope for the best. But Lovart has this feature called Text Edit. Watch. I'm changing the text to cold brew, and look at that. The style is identical. Same texture, same artistic treatment. It's like Photoshop, but the AI understands design intent. That's insane. Alright, so now I need 2 more posts to complete the carousel. I'm going to use the same workflow. Generate, edit, refine. And in about 5 minutes, done. 3 Instagram posts, all cohesive, all on brand. Let me throw these into a carousel mockup. Not bad for 10 minutes of work, right? Normally, this would take a designer at least 2 hours. Let's keep going. Case 2. Tech Startup Website Hero Banner. Next up, Website Hero Banner for a tech startup. The client wants something futuristic, something that screams, "We're an AI company." Need a futuristic website banner for our AI SaaS product. Think holographic, sleek, professional. Alright, back to the dashboard. I'm going to prompt this one with futuristic tech website hero banner, holographic UI elements, purple and blue gradient, 3D floating interface, professional, wide format. And again, 4 options. I'm going with this one. It's got the holographic vibe, the gradient is clean, and those floating UI elements? Chef's kiss. But I want to customize it. This is where Edit Elements comes in. So Edit Elements is basically like working with layers in Photoshop, but AI-powered. I can select individual objects and redesign them separately. Watch. I'm selecting this holographic UI element here, and I'm going to tell it to make this look more modern. Sharper edges, cleaner lines. Perfect. Now let's change the background. I'm selecting the purple gradient and swapping it for a dark cyberpunk cityscape. However, I think the previous one was better than this. Okay, that's way cooler. And now the text layer, I'm going to change the font, the color, and move it to the left. This is like having separate Photoshop layers, but the AI is doing the heavy lifting. I'm just directing it. Okay, let me drop this into a browser mockup so you can see how it'd actually look on a website. And that took me maybe 8 minutes total. A designer would charge at least $500 for this. Moving on. Case 3. Restaurant menu poster. Alright. Case 3. This one's for a local Italian restaurant. They need a Valentine's Day menu poster. Got it. Let's make some magic. Prompt time. Elegant Italian restaurant Valentine's Day menu poster. Romantic red tones. Pasta dish photography. Gold accents. Sophisticated typography. 4 options again. I'm loving this one. The red tones are rich, the pasta looks delicious, and the typography is classy. But let's make it even better. So the text here says Valentine's Special. But what if the client changes their mind? What if they want it to say, a more menu instead? With text edit, I can change it in seconds, and the style stays identical. See? Same gold foil effect, same elegant font treatment. Now let's say they change their mind again. They want Chef's Special. Done. 2 text changes in 30 seconds. Style perfectly preserved. Try doing that in Photoshop without starting over. Now let's get creative. I'm going to use Touch Edit to change this pasta dish to a risotto instead. Way more romantic. And one more thing, I'm going to Control-click the background and add some candlelight ambiance. Okay, now that's a Valentine's Day poster. Let me show you this in a printed mockup. And here's a side-by-side timeline of all the edits I made. From generic to gorgeous in under 10 minutes. The restaurant owner is going to love this. Case 4. Custom pet product packaging design. Okay, last one, and this is where it gets really interesting. A pet brand client needs custom packaging design for their new line of organic dog treats. So the client sent me 2 photos, one of their actual dog treat product, and one of a customer's golden retriever they want to feature. Now here's where Lovart's multi-image workflow shines. I'm going to drag and drop both of these images into the canvas. And now I'm going to prompt it. Premium organic dog treat packaging design, featuring this product and this golden retriever. Natural earthy tones, minimalist modern design, product photography style, green and brown color palette. Watch what happens. Lovart analyzes all the images and creates 4 packaging concepts that actually incorporate both references. Okay, this one right here. The dog looks natural, the product is featured prominently, and the color palette is perfect. But I want to refine it. Let me use Touch Edit to adjust the dog's position. I want him to look more toward the product. Perfect. Now I'm going to Control-click on the background and change it from this plain backdrop to a natural outdoor setting, maybe some grass and soft sunlight. Beautiful. Now it feels more organic, more authentic. And check this out. The lighting on the dog and the product automatically adjusted to match the new background. That's AI understanding context. The placeholder text says Natural Treats. Let me change it to the actual brand name, Possum Organics. And just like that, same artistic style, same font treatment, but now it's branded. Perfect. The typography is consistent, the hierarchy is clear, and it all feels cohesive. Let me show you the final packaging design in a 3D mockup. And here's what makes this incredible. This is what separates Lovart from basic AI image generators. It's not just creating something from scratch, it's intelligently working with your existing assets, your brand materials, your real-world references, and turning them into professional design work. Total time for this? About 12 minutes. A traditional designer would need at least half a day and multiple revision rounds. There are so many other tools available here. You can turn any image into a video, create a 3D model, and many more. It's really an amazing platform. So, could AI replace your design team? Honestly, maybe not entirely. There's still something about human creativity, about understanding a brand's soul, that AI can't fully replicate, yet. But for speed, for iteration, for turning ideas into visuals in minutes instead of hours, AI is absolutely getting close. I just created 4 professional design projects in under an hour. Projects that would normally take a full day and cost hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. If you want to try this yourself, I will put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.